So nandito tayo ngayon sa Citro Garcia shop. Yung dalawang stall dito guys. If ever bibili kayo, nandito yung mga kasama natin, di ba? Si Miss Alma, si Ruby, si Angelica, yung kaibigan natin dito, di ba? Now guys, meron silang mga magandang cellphones, di ba? Hindi nyo ba alam? Mula doon, yan, mga casing, di ba? So please let us know in the comments. Please buy also from them. This is like, I think, their third or fourth store already. We went to the fifth, so yeah. And guys, happy shopping, alright? Let's have some fun. Okay? Initially around GPAC, video, GPI. Oh yeah. Straight up the gadgets. So, happy days. See you.